good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna, and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So, guys, I am sitting outside. It is not really morning, it is mid afternoon, and yeah, I'm sitting out here enjoying this beautiful sun, and yeah, basically just living the life. This is absolutely amazing. Um, wow, if you guys get an opportunity to do something like this, this is highly recommended. It's very, yeah, I feel like you really get in touch. You feel a part of nature, but on the other side, you feel like, oh, this is so nice. This is a cool life. Definitely something. Yeah, this is what I would like to wake up to every morning, to have such a view, and yeah, to have the beach like right there. So it's absolutely amazing, I must say. Um, Whew. Out here sunbathing, and no, I have not been in the gym. I don't know. I'll make it there at some point. My leg was acting up, or my knee was acting up, so I really do too much. Um, couldn't do too much. Couldn't do too much exercise, but I don't know. Perhaps I'll start it soon, again, eventually. Yeah. So basically, yeah. I think today is just going to be like stay at home, stay at the house, enjoy the sun, and enjoy the view, and yeah, not too much traveling around. For me, the attraction, this is all the attraction. Okay, shopping's just right around the corner. Just walk down the street, and all the stores are there. So this is a great location. I really like Corlejo. Um, I can definitely highly recommend it. And like I said, if you get the opportunity to rent a beach home directly on the beach, it is definitely well worth its money. At least, if you haven't done it, then put it on your bucket list as a goal, because it's different. It's nice. It's amazing, you know. And like I said, if you happen to come to this island, it's so cool. Corlejo, because like I said, then you have a nice view of the Lobos Island, which is so amazing. And on clear days, you can also see in the background Lanzarote. So, yeah. Anywho, I'm not gonna make this video too long, but yeah, I just want to touch base and let y'all know how it is to, yeah, what's it like to be living on a beach home, or living in a beach home directly on the beach. That's something different to have a beach home, but to be directly on the beach, wow. Okay, I'm sweating. It's hot. The sun is hot. Yes. I'm in like this basket like type of I don't know, relaxer chair. I don't know how you would call this thing. Guys, I've been out of the country for too long, so please forgive me if I'm like messing up and don't know these terms of what certain items are are called. I know I'm in German now, but I don't remember what they are in English, or what they would be called. I guess I have to look it up. But anywho, so if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe. I'm constantly uploading videos, so I'm vlogging. I try to vlog on a daily basis, so yeah. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll probably pop back in to say a few more words. Okay, guys, see you around. Oh, and don't go nowhere.